My review for the Google Chrome extension Noisli. I did not realize that Google Chrome made an extension like this, which I think this is perfect. Students can tailor their music choice of sounds to what they want for that work time. Oftentimes I will play this type of stuff in the classrooms I work in. I'll choose like an ocean sound or like a forest um, that kind of helps kids focus and just like really just working peacefully. And with this, they can choose what they prefer. It gives you all kinds of like productivity, random, relaxing. You can tailor your sounds if you prefer like outdoor sounds, the wind, the rain, the crickets. You can do that. If you like relaxing sounds, you can do like coffee shop, the fan sound. I think that's kind of cool. They give you that. But a bunch of different sounds, and you can set the timer too, so you know how long you need to work for and how long it's gonna play. And you can also give favorites, so you can favorite the ones you like. So I think this would be super cool to use in the classroom with any student, special education, general education. Personally, I think I'm gonna start using this too because oftentimes I will search up videos when I'm like doing schoolwork at home. I think I'm gonna use this one because I think it's relaxing and helps me focus.